Hello there, I am Josiah Nnah. I am a technical contractor in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Over the past 10 years, I have helped hundreds of clients in the private, commercial and industrial sectors to install, repair, maintain and upgrade their technical assets. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos to inform, entertain and educate you on everything home technical, so you can make the right hiring, purchasing and safety decisions. Expect videos on technical DIYs, home or office electrical services, satellite TV services, home automation services and so on. I am here to help you and guide you. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss my videos every Friday by 5 p.m. every week. Who do you know that is interested in getting his office or home electrically wired and installed, secured with CCTV camera, automated, air-conditioned and solar powered? Feel free to call, SMS or WhatsApp me on 090-365-87137. Again, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for my weekly videos. Thank you and stay blessed.